Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of tarantulas. These creatures often evoke fear and misunderstanding, but I'm here to show you a different side of these eight-legged wonders. Tarantulas are actually quite docile and shy. They are more likely to avoid confrontation than attack. Contrary to popular belief, tarantula venom is not deadly to humans. While a bite can be painful, it's comparable to a bee sting for most people. These fascinating creatures are more interested in insects and small animals, their natural prey. Tarantulas play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. Their hairy bodies might seem intimidating, but those hairs serve a unique purpose. When threatened, some tarantulas can flick hairs from their abdomens as a defense mechanism. These hairs irritate potential predators, allowing the tarantula to escape. Join me as we delve deeper into the world of tarantulas and uncover even more surprising facts. Tarantulas are found on every continent except Antarctica. They thrive in a variety of habitats, from the steamy Amazon rainforest to the arid deserts of Arizona. Each species has adapted to its environment, showcasing the diversity of life on Earth. Some tarantulas are arboreal, meaning they live in trees. They build silken retreats in hollows or under bark. Others are terrestrial, making their homes in burrows they dig or find. The Goliath bird eater, found in South American rainforests, is the largest tarantula species by leg span. It can reach up to a foot in diameter. On the other hand, some dwarf tarantula species are no bigger than a fingernail. The variety of colors and patterns among tarantulas is equally impressive. From the vibrant blue of the Indian ornamental to the subtle camouflage of the Mexican red knee, each species has its own unique beauty. Let's continue our exploration and debunk some common myths about these fascinating creatures. Tarantulas have long been misunderstood creatures, often portrayed as aggressive and dangerous in popular culture. It's time to set the record straight. As we've learned, tarantulas are generally shy and prefer to avoid confrontation. One persistent myth is that tarantulas jump at their prey. This is not entirely true. While they can move surprisingly fast for short distances, they don't actually jump. Instead, they rely on stealth and surprise to ambush their prey. Another misconception is that all tarantulas are deadly. As mentioned earlier, tarantula venom is not lethal to humans. While a bite can cause discomfort, it's usually not medically significant unless the person has an allergic reaction. It's important to remember that tarantulas are wild animals and should be treated with respect. They're not aggressive by nature, but they will defend themselves if they feel threatened. Now let's uncover some surprising truths about these fascinating creatures. Get ready to be amazed by some incredible tarantula facts. Did you know that tarantulas can live for decades? Female tarantulas in particular are known for their longevity. Some species can live for over 20 years in captivity. Remember those irritating hairs we talked about earlier? Well, some tarantula species have even more remarkable defenses. The Goliath bird eater, for example, can make a hissing sound by rubbing its legs together, a warning to potential predators. And if that's not enough, some tarantulas have even been known to play dead. When threatened, they'll roll onto their backs, pretending to be dead until the danger has passed. Talk about a clever survival strategy. But perhaps the most surprising fact of all is that tarantulas are actually quite fragile. Their exoskeletons, while tough, can be easily damaged. That's why it's crucial to handle them with care, if at all. Tarantulas might seem like solitary creatures, but they play a vital role in their ecosystems. As predators, they help to regulate populations of insects and other small animals. This natural pest control is essential for maintaining a healthy balance in the environment. Imagine a world without tarantulas. Insect populations would explode, leading to potential imbalances in the food web and even agricultural problems. Tarantulas, along with other predators, help to prevent such scenarios. Their burrows also provide shelter for other creatures, creating a miniature ecosystem underground. From insects to reptiles, many animals benefit from the presence of tarantulas. The next time you encounter a tarantula, remember that it's not just a fascinating creature. It's an integral part of a complex and interconnected web of life. Let's explore how we can help protect these amazing animals. Despite their importance to ecosystems, many tarantula species face growing threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization is a major concern. As humans continue to encroach on natural habitats, tarantulas are losing their homes. The illegal pet trade also poses a significant threat. The demand for exotic pets has led to the unsustainable collection of tarantulas from the wild, decimating populations. It's crucial to remember that wild animals belong in the wild, not in our homes. Fortunately, there are ongoing efforts to protect tarantulas and their habitats. Conservation organizations are working to establish protected areas, conduct research, and raise awareness about the importance of tarantula conservation. We can all play a part in these efforts. By supporting conservation organizations, making responsible choices as consumers, and educating others about the importance of biodiversity, we can help ensure the survival of these fascinating creatures for generations to come. Our journey into the world of tarantulas has revealed these creatures to be far more than just creepy crawlies. They are complex, fascinating animals with unique adaptations, important ecological roles, and a beauty all their own. From their surprising longevity to their clever defense mechanisms, tarantulas continue to amaze and intrigue scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Their presence in ecosystems around the world highlights the interconnectedness of life on Earth. As we've learned, tarantulas face numerous threats, from habitat loss to the illegal pet trade. It's up to us to become more informed and take action to protect these incredible creatures. Let's use our newfound knowledge to become ambassadors for tarantulas, dispelling myths and inspiring others to appreciate the important role they play in our world. Our exploration of the tarantula world has shown us the importance of respecting and protecting these often misunderstood creatures. Now it's time to take action. Become a tarantula ambassador. Educate yourself and others. Share your newfound knowledge about tarantulas with friends, family, and your community. Support conservation efforts. Consider donating to or volunteering with organizations dedicated to protecting tarantulas and their habitats. Be a responsible consumer. Never purchase tarantulas that have been taken from the wild. Choose captive-bred individuals from reputable breeders if you're considering a tarantula as a pet. Remember, every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Let's work together to ensure that these fascinating creatures continue to thrive in our world for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Canadian and Global Wildlife. See you next time.